in your life, and that's to steal, kill, or destroy you.
Yeah.
He sent my step-pops in my life to destroy me. One day my step-pop said, "Come here, boy." And he put a gun in my hand. It was so heavy I dropped it. I never held a gun before. He introduced me to guns. He introduced me to drugs. Seemed like every other night I was running in the room and he was beating up my mom, domestic violence in my house. I used to go in there and be like, "Man, get off my mom." As soon as I go in there, he'd punch me in the mouth like boom and knock me down. I was experiencing violence. He told me that the only reason why he used to beat my mama up and beat me up is because he loved us.
That ain't love.
I found out that wasn't real love. That ain't real love. And then all of a sudden he went to prison. I don't wish prison on nobody, but I was glad he went to prison that day. He went to prison, but all of a sudden now I'm cornered. I'm grown up. I'm like 16 years old. I'm cornered by obstacles. I'm powerless to resist it. And now since I fell away from Jesus, I'm destined to fail. So in 1986, I was riding my moped. We moved to Tacoma. I was riding my moped right on 23rd Street. Some of y'all might know where that's at, right up the street. Riding my moped. It was like 8 cats out there in all blue, wearing blue khakis, blue hats, and penalties and flags hanging out their pocket. We didn't know who these cats were. They was in Tacoma, but they was from Los Angeles. So I get ready to go in the store right at Debashi's on 23rd. True story. You could ask anybody. I'm going in the store, and a little bitty dude comes. He sees me and he says, "What's up, cuz?" This is Whoop Whoop Block from 6 Block, Los Angeles Crip Block. It sounded like he was speaking Chinese to me. I didn't know what he was saying. We wasn't familiar with that language. So I just walked in the store. I said, "Hey, what's up, gangsters?" You know, I didn't want no trouble. It was 8 cats now. This is real.